Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. As always, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. Don't know why I said those last 4 words in slow motion, but we are going to get into it. All right, so our model problem for today is 4,344 divided by 8. So step 1, we're looking for the number within the number. We want to divide by the smallest digit possible within the square. Only rule is the number inside the square has got to be bigger than the number outside the square. So we're going to zoom in. So 4 is smaller than 8. The number on the inside is smaller, so we can't start out with 1 digit by 1 digit division. If we start out with 2 digits, 43 is bigger than 8, that works. So 43 divided by 8, I'm going to figure out how many groups of 8 go into 43. Move over my, move over the whiteboard here. So we're going to count by 8s. 8, that's 1 group of 8. 16, that's 2 groups of 8. 24, that's 3 groups of 8. Move the whiteboard over. This whiteboard's messing up my swag. 32, 4 groups of 8. 40, 5 groups of 8. Now if I count by 8 again, I'll be at 48, which that would be too far. 48 is too far, because 48 it would be past the number 43. So I was able to count by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 8 goes into 43 5 times. 40 was the closest number I landed on counting by 8s prior to 43. The next multiple of 8 will be more than 43, so we're going to do 43 minus 40 to find the remainder. (43 minus 40 equals 3. So now the next step is we have to bring down the next digit. So I'm going to bring down the 4. That 3 becomes 34. Now I could delete it and skip count all over again, but looking at the counting by 8s that I already did up top, if I just erase these two numbers here, 8, 16, 24, 32. So I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 8 within 32. If I count by 8 again, I'll be at 40, and 40 would be too far. 40 would be past 34. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 8 go into 34. 34 divided by 8 equals 4. There is a remainder. Since 32 was as close as we could get to 34 without going over, I'm going to subtract 32 from 34. And that's what our remainder is going to be. So 34 minus 32 equals 2. Then I'm going to bring down that final number. So now we've got to do 24 divided by 8. So 24 divided by 8 equals 1, 2, 3. (24 minus 24 equals 0). And the problem is solved. So 4,344 divided by 8 equals 543. So that is my division problem for today. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.